So we're going to use a check mark to indicate which ones are relative frequency. And remember, relative frequency means that it is a comparison to the whole or all of the values. So let's take a look at number A. Toronto Raptor Kyle Lowry scored 22 points in the last NBA game. So this is a counting number. It's counting how many points you have. So that is a absolute frequency. So it is not a relative frequency. In the second example, Toronto Raptor Kyle Lowry again makes 83% of his free throws. So 83% means he's comparing to all of the free throws. Percentage is a general way, a very good way of expressing relative frequency. So it is relative. There was an increase of 4% in voter turnout in the last election. Again, that is a percentage that's been declared, which means that it is a relative frequency. The youth voter turnout jumped by 1,200 votes in this election. This is a counting number. You're counting how many votes, so this one is absolute frequency. 1/4 of all drivers said they had run a red light in the last month. 1/4 can be written as a fraction. It's 1 out of 4. So fractions are another clue that it is a relative frequency. ICBC reports that 125 drivers have been pulled over for texting and driving in one weekend. This is a counting number, which means it's absolute frequency. 4 out of 5 dentists recommend Crest. 4 out of 5 can be written like that as a fraction. You're comparing the number of dentists that recommend to the total number, so it is a relative frequency. And the last one, graduation for Park Secondary has jumped by 250 students this year. This is a counting number. You're counting students, so it's absolute frequency.